know that you don't always need to get professional chemical treatment to deal with bed bugs. And guess what? It's easier than you think. That you can get rid of bed bugs using natural remedies you might already have at home. Diatomaceous Earth. Over 80% of people who use Diatomaceous Earth for bed bugs report great results. Let's see why this simple powder is so effective. Diatomaceous Earth is a natural powder made from tiny fossilized sea creatures. When bed bugs come into contact with it, the powder scratches their exoskeleton, causing them to dry out and die. It's a super effective way to get rid of bed bugs without using harsh chemicals. Plus, it's safe for people and pets, making it a great choice for a DIY pest control solution at home. Diatomaceous Earth can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days to kill bed bugs. To use Diatomaceous Earth for bed bugs, start by carefully sprinkling it in areas where bed bugs are likely to hide, such as along the edges of your bed, in cracks and crevices, and around furniture. Make sure to spread a thin, even layer so it can reach all the bugs. Leave the powder in place for a few days to give it time to work. After a few days, vacuum up the Diatomaceous Earth and repeat the process if needed. Just remember to wear a mask while applying and vacuuming to avoid inhaling the dust. Essential oils. Scientific studies from many universities show that essential oils can significantly reduce bedbug populations. Find out which oil works best. Essential oils work for bedbugs because they contain natural compounds like limonene, linalool, and eucalyptol that can disrupt the bedbug's nervous system and repel them. For instance, limonene found in tea tree oil interferes with the bedbug's ability to move and feed. A study from Purdue University, published in Pest Management Science, showed that linalool, found in lavender oil, possesses insecticidal properties that can kill bedbugs and their eggs. Eucalyptol, from eucalyptus oil or peppermint oil, is known to create a strong, unpleasant environment that bedbugs avoid. When bedbugs come into contact with these oils, the compounds can either kill them directly or make their surroundings so uncomfortable that they flee. To effectively use essential oils for bedbugs, start by mixing a few drops of your chosen oil, like lavender or tea tree, with water in a spray bottle. Shake it well and spray the solution directly onto areas where bedbugs might be hiding, such as along the seams of your mattress, in cracks, and around your bed frame. If you have any questions about the home remedies, ask me in the comments. I will gladly answer all your questions. Can a simple kitchen ingredient like baking soda be your secret weapon against bedbugs? Baking soda works for bedbugs because it has a unique texture that damages their exoskeleton. When bedbugs come into contact with baking soda, the fine powder scratches their outer layer, causing them to dry out and die. It's a natural and safe way to target bedbugs without using harsh chemicals. Plus, baking soda is easy to use and can be found right in your kitchen, making it a handy tool in your battle against these pests. To use baking soda for bedbugs, start by sprinkling it in areas where you think bedbugs are hiding, like along the edges of your mattress, in cracks, and around your bed. Make sure to cover these spots with a thin, even layer of baking soda. Leave it in place for a few days to give it time to work its magic. After that, vacuum up the baking soda thoroughly, and repeat if necessary. It's important to be patient and consistent for the best results. Vinegar. Think vinegar is just for salad dressing? Think again. It's also a powerful tool against bed bugs. Vinegar works for bed bugs due to its strong smell and acidic nature. The primary component of vinegar, acetic acid, creates a hostile environment for bed bugs. This acid disrupts their sensory organs, making the area uncomfortable and driving them away. Additionally, vinegar's low pH can interfere with the bedbug's exoskeleton and digestive system, which may help to kill them on contact. Create a DIY bedbug spray by mixing equal parts water and vinegar. Spray the solution generously in areas where bedbugs are likely to hide. Rubbing alcohol. I've spent countless hours researching how rubbing alcohol impacts bedbugs and what really makes it effective against these insects. Rubbing alcohol works for bed bugs because it's a powerful disinfectant that can kill these pests on contact. Its high alcohol content dries out the bed bugs and destroys their outer shell, leading to dehydration and death. When you spray rubbing alcohol directly onto bed bugs or their hiding spots, it disrupts their bodies and prevents them from surviving. A study from Purdue University found that rubbing alcohol can effectively kill 100% of bed bugs if applied directly. To make your own bed bug spray, with rubbing alcohol, mix 1 part rubbing alcohol with 2 parts water. For an extra boost, add a few drops of the essential oils I mentioned earlier in the video. Borax. If you think borax is just a laundry product, think again. It's a game changer for bedbug problems, and it's extra cheap. Borax works for bedbugs because it disrupts their bodies and dries them out. The powder is made up of sodium borate, which has a sharp, abrasive quality that damages the bedbug's exoskeleton. When bedbugs come into contact with borax, it causes them to lose moisture and ultimately leads to their new death. Plus, borax acts as a desiccant, which means it helps absorb moisture from the bugs' bodies, making it harder for them to survive. Important to note, borax is a boron compound, and its high pH level creates an inhospitable environment for bedbugs, further boosting its effectiveness. To use borax effectively, sprinkle it in areas where you've seen bedbugs or where you suspect they might travel. Neem oil. Studies show neem oil disrupts the insect's life cycle. Discover how it affects bedbugs specifically. Neem oil works for bedbugs because it contains a compound called azadirachtin, which disrupts their growth and reproduction. Azadirachtin affects bedbugs by interfering with their hormones, preventing them from molting and growing properly. This stops them from maturing and reproducing, effectively reducing their numbers over time. Additionally, neem oil's strong smell repels bedbugs, making it less likely for them to stay in treated areas. To use neem oil for bedbugs, mix about 3 tablespoons of neem oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake well to continue. Spray the mixture directly onto any areas where you suspect bedbugs might be hiding. These home remedies can be a huge help in fighting bedbugs. But this trick might surprise you. It's often ignored, but it makes all the difference. Bedbug traps block bedbugs from getting to your bed and trap the ones already there. This will be essential to getting rid of bedbugs all by yourself. Check out this video on DIY duct tape traps for bedbugs to learn more. See you soon, bedbug fam.